This is 348 Bradley Shore Road in Bradley. It's a neat location because it's about half an hour to Ellsworth and about half an hour to Bangor or no. It's awesome waterfront. Pretty much year-round homes. It's got one on that side, and this does have a little road that goes along the side that you could back a boat down. Pretty much all year-round homes with a few scattered camps now because of the price of waterfront, but very nice. In the spring the water's higher here, but it goes down this time of year, and it hasn't been used. It's nice swimming. You can see it's crystal clear. Does have some weeds growing up, as you can tell, because nobody's using it, but if somebody has like canoes or kayaks, it's wonderful. We've only had 3 tenants here in the last 13, 14 years. The owner actually had a family camp here, and about 15 years ago they put in full foundation, new septic, new well, and they used it for a couple years themselves, but then his wife got sick, and so he had us rent it out, and it's worked out very well. It's an awesome location because usually you don't see year-round camps, and this is in about, I don't know, maybe 4 miles on a dirt road, but you don't generally see year-round camps that are rented. So this could be a long term. We had a tenant for 7.5 years and a tenant for 5 years who just moved. We did have a tenant who was only here a year because they built a house, so there are flexibility, but because it was put on a full foundation, it's got a walk-in basement, which is really cool for getting stuff in and out. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It does sit back from the road a little bit too. So it's got a long driveway, so plenty of parking. In fact, it's got a turnaround over there, so makes it pretty easy. It does have a little shed, which the owner has this section with some personal stuff in it. And it's got a little section there, which is included, as well as like a lean-to, which the last tenant had a snowblower that they used for doing the driveway. Somebody could have it plowed or do a snowblower or whichever. As you come in, it comes with all the basic furnishings. The didn't have a TV because the last tenant had the big own one, and they used, and so since they just moved, I picked up a TV to go with it. It does have a dish, and the past tenants have had, and internet was with Premier Choice Broadband. Both the professor that we had for like 7.5 years and the 5-year tenant both needed internet for their jobs, so it did work. Kind of open floor plan, cathedral ceiling. It does have like a loft, which has got a bunch of stuff stored, but it does have a couple beds up there. Nice open floor plan. Has got this deck. Which the owner actually just replaced some boards on. And will get pressure washed and stained either this fall or next spring. You can see it just got a beautiful view. Great place to sit with your morning coffee, that kind of thing. And because it's modern, it's, you know, got laminate floors and ceramic tile, and the kitchen, older stove, but the fridge we literally just purchased like 4 months ago. The master has got a good size. I think that's a queen. A couple pieces of furniture, but big room. We have had tenants who pretty commonly use their own electronics and their own beds, and if you had your own furniture, you wanted to put this stuff in the basement with that walk around, easy to do. And it does have a full basement, so somebody can use their own furniture if they want. The only thing we ask is they put it back when they're done. The existing furniture. The bath is a full bath. It's got that like step-in shower. Pick up a wall hanger or something. It's big. It's got the built-in seat and shower. So pretty straightforward. The vanity, we are putting a new top on because it's got a little crack. I think something was dropped on it. And then it's got a stackable washer dryer that comes with it, and it does have a medicine cabinet right above as well. And then we'll go downstairs. It's got this cool kind of spiral staircase. Oops, light switch right here. And this downstairs was meant to be like a family room office, but has a spare bed As you can see here, really pretty big. Again, very basic furnishings, but it comes with stuff for people to start. And then it's got a bedroom over here, which has a closet. We don't provide linens. There are some remnants here, so I think there is enough to make a couple beds, but we tell people we don't provide them because we don't know how the last tenant cleaned them, and I think there's just mismatched stuff left now, so you really need to bring your own linens and towels. Has a multi-zone boiler, which also does the hot water. Does have a dehumidifier, which we ask tenants to leave running, because this time of year, in the April through October, it gets very humid in a basement that is finished off, so it is necessary to run. And it has a oil tank, which because it's oil, and then that over in the corner that's a Boilermate, and so that has plenty of hot water. You could take 20-minute showers if you wanted to. And that kind of finishes 348 Bradley Shore Road. If you'd be interested, let us know. Like I said, year rental, couple year rental, perfectly fine. Would love year-round tenants. Owner would do like 9 or 10 month lease as well. It would be a little bit more expensive, but there's some flexibility there too. Visit us at rentbangor.com.